Hey language enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are jumping into the exciting world of homophones, those tricky words that sound the same but have different meanings, like the word night. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be a pro. First up, we have the word eight. Eight, which is the past tense of eat versus the number eight. For example, the couple ate a delicious meal versus there are 8 days left until summer break. Up next, we have the word affect, to influence versus effect, a result or outcome. For example, the rainy weather really affected his mood and made Johnny sad. Versus the effect of eating too much candy was a tummy ache. Next, we have the word aloud, audibly in a loud voice versus being permitted or given permission to do something. The teacher read the story aloud versus you're not allowed to stay up late and watch a movie. Next up, we have the word ascent, a climb or upward movement versus agreement and approval. For example, the climber made his ascent up the mountain versus the late queen gave her royal assent. Bare, uncovered or naked versus a large mammal or to carry a burden. Let's take a look at this tree so we can see as it works its way throughout the seasons. By the time it gets to winter, the leaves are all gone and we can see its bare branches. Next up, we have bear, as in the animal bear. And finally, it can also be used to indicate that you are carrying a significant challenge or burden. Bee, an insect that produces honey versus bee, to exist or to occupy a place. For example, I saw the bee in the sky versus the verb to be. When we conjugated, I could say, I am the next level chef. Next up, we have the word blue, past tense of blow versus the color blue. For example, she blew out the candles on her cake versus my favorite color is blue. Next up, we have the word buy, and this could mean to acquire something in exchange for money, or it could mean next to or beside. It could also mean a farewell. For example, she had to buy a lot of gifts for her friends, or you can find the backpack, buy the school supplies, or buy, and we'll see you next year. Next up, we have the word sell, a small room or compartment, or to exchange money for money or to promote others to buy. For example, he decided to sell delicious food to his hungry customers. Or they were put in a jail cell. Next up, we have the word brake, a device for slowing or stopping a vehicle versus to separate into pieces versus to pause or rest. For example, he reached for the brake to stop the car. Or she didn't mean to break the plate. Or for her lunch break, she had salad and ice cream. Thank you for watching, and that concludes our video for today. Now you know 10 tricky homophones. We'll see you in the next video. For more videos like this, please remember to hit the subscribe button.